So, Germany's tourist visa. Who needs a Germany tourist visa? If you're not a citizen of any European country, then you might need a tourist visa. Of course, you should check with the German consul or the German embassy in your home country to be sure if you require a visa to enter Germany as a tourist or as a visitor. Now, how can you apply for a German tourist visa? You have to make an appointment online, and in this appointment, you will go with your application paperwork, with your application form and all the requirements that you need to obtain a Germany's tourist visa. What are the requirements to obtain a Germany's tourist visa? You will need to fill out an application form. Obviously, you will pay visa fee. You also need to check that up with the German consular in your home country, because these fees can vary from country to country depending on the currency your country uses. Also, you will need a valid international passport. You will need a valid international passport that's valid for a minimum of 6 months. You also need a passport photograph. These passport photographs have to meet a specified size. So you need to check with the German embassy in your home country to be sure what are the size your photo passport should meet. Also, you would need a bank statement of 3 months. This bank statement should show that you have the financial means to take care of yourself whilst you will be in Germany. And also, you will need a travel insurance. This travel insurance should cover you for a minimum of 30,000 euro in case for any health emergencies. And you would need to obtain a paperwork, a certificate from your health insurance that says you are covered for a minimum of 30,000 euro in case of any health emergencies. Now, also on the list, you will need a proof of accommodation. If you have any family member or friend in Germany that have extra room or extra space in their apartment or in their home that they can offer you to stay when you arrive in Germany, they can give a document showing that they have a space for you in their apartment or in their home for you to stay when you arrive Germany. If you don't have no family member or no friends, then you should simply make a hotel reservation online. Also, you will need flight reservation. You can make that online. It's usually free to do that. Also, you will need a financial means. Financial means is you will need to show proof of your income. If you're employed, you will need to show pay slip, or you need to show a bank statement that indicate payment from your employer to your bank account, basically to show that you have the means of income to care for yourself whilst you will be in Germany. However, if your family member or your friend will be paying for your trip, will be sponsoring your trip, then you will also need to obtain a letter of invitation from your friend or your family member that you will attach to your application. Also, you need to obtain a payslip from your family member or your friend, at least a 3 months payslip from their place of work. That should be enough, and maybe as well their bank statement to show that they have sufficient fund to care for you whilst you will be in Germany, so you don't become a burden to the state. Another requirement on the list is you will need a letter of leave. That's if you're employed, you will need a letter of leave that says from the period you will be traveling to Germany, you have leave from work or you have holiday from work. And in that period, you would want to travel to Germany. And also you would need to get a no objection certificate. The no objection certificate should state when you was employed in the company, how long you've been working in the company, what your roles are in the company, and also that they are confident that you will be returning to your home country and to your job, because they They can go into further details in describing your personality and how much they are confident in you returning to your home country and returning back to work, and how much you enjoy your work as well. That can support your application in convincing the consular that you will be returning to your job in your home country. If you're not employed, you will need to also obtain the same no objection certificate from your university or whatever institution where you're studying. And also you will need to attach with your application a cover letter. This cover letter should explain why you wish to visit Germany, how long you intend to stay in Germany, and what you will be doing whilst in Germany, and amongst other things you intend to do or you intend to indulge in Germany. You should state them on your cover letter. You would also need to include proof of your civil status. So that means if you're married, you will need to attach a copy of your marriage certificate. And if you have any dependent that will be traveling with you, of course, you will have to also attach their birth certificate and their passport as well. If you have driver's license, you should include that in your application. And you will also need a utility bill. And this utility bill must be in your name, not in someone else's name. The utility bill must be in your name. Basically, what the German consular want to see, they need you to convince them that you intend to return to your home country. So whatever you can do, however you want to go about convincing them that you intend to return to your home country will help your application a lot. Some examples of how you can convince them that you will return to your home country is if you're married, you have family in your home country, you have to show them, you have to convince them that you will return to your family back in your home country, that you will not be abandoning your family and stay in Germany and not return. And also if you're a student, you can also show them, convince them that you're a student, this is how far you've gone in your education, and you would intend, you wish to return to your home country to complete your education, So it's basically convincing them that you would return to your home country. So however you intend to go about it, you just have to be creative on how you convince them that you return to your home country. It's always important to travel to Germany the right way. If you intend to travel to Germany to live and work in Germany, it's important to obtain the right visa type for that purpose. If you travel to Germany with a tourist visa with the intention to work, to take up employment or to study whilst you're in Germany, you might be committing a crime. So it's better to be sure of what your visa type allows you to do legally in Germany before arriving in Germany. There are different ways you can legally obtain a work visa to travel to Germany to take up employment in Germany. But if you're traveling to Germany as for the purpose of tourism or to visit your family member or your friends in Germany, then you should simply obtain the Germany's tourist visa. This visa type allows you to travel around the 27 Schengen member states in Europe. So you can travel around Europe, around the Schengen countries in Europe, as long as your tourist visa is valid. This is not a legal advice. I am not a lawyer in any way. I'm not giving you legal advice. This is just, I'm just speaking from my personal experience. If you think you require advice, legal advice, then it's better for you to consult a solicitor or a lawyer to get the proper advice that you seek. And on this note, I'll be ending this video here. If you have any question to ask me, I'll be more than happy to reply to your question. And please subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. And if you do subscribe, please comment on the comment section, subscribe, and I will reply to your comment. And I'll be happy to connect with you as well. And Hope you have a nice one. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.